go, my friend.
All right, should be good.
That's not what she said, Mike. She said you was really fast.
I'm slow. I'm soft and slow. So far, I just named the capture. That's all I got done so far.
Wait, I thought you already had it set up.
I did. I deleted it, maybe in frustration.
All right,
There we go.
we're all set. My stream's on.
We don't need to capture audio.
Trading ever after. Who are we trolling? I don't know, but it is fun trolling people sometimes.
Okay, I got it. I got it. I got it. I'm so
One day
proud
we
of
have to
myself.
find another stream and go troll them.
That would be funny.
Oh,
We don't hear you, we don't see you, and we're all typing the same thing.
yeah, all of us, everyone, the whole fucking community. And then they're gonna ask, guys, and it's like half of them are gonna be saying yes, and half of them are gonna be saying no. You can't go to like a room where they got 1,000 people. You got to go to a room that has like only 30 or something.
Yeah.
Half will
Even
be
100
saying
will
yes.
still work. What if you got 5
Yeah.
or 10 people out of 100 telling you they can't hear you?
Yeah. You for sure believe it.
Oh, that'd be so
That's
much fun.
hilarious. Who can we do that to that wouldn't get too angry at us?
Alex is muted. Well, that's on his side. It's not mine.
I'm muted. I shouldn't be muted. You guys hear me, no?
I hear you. Talk again.
I'm good. I'm good. My volume is
Yeah,
running
it's
too.
working on mine. I see
I
it.
don't know. There you go. He started. Mother effer. Mother effer. He's starting. What's up, Skelly? Did you read that or you invented to read that?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Trading ever after wrote it.
Okay, he actually said it. I was gonna say
He
that
was
was
joking,
smart of
though.
you acting like you read it.
He was joking. I caught it from the beginning, though. He was joking.
That's 2 times I fell for it already.
I think my clock is off.
Used to drive Mike crazy. I'd tell him that every day.
My clock is off. Oh yeah, well yeah, you started with that today also. You thought I was grumpy when I said, "Really? Hey, Olive,
No, I was
how's it
asking if my
going?"
mic was working today. There was only like 3 people in the chat, and like me and all 3 of them, like, Mike, we can't hear you.
Hmm.
He's like, I don't know what's wrong. I'm trying. Good times, man. Good times.
Good times. Uh, Alex, do you know the song "Mr. Jones" by Counting Crows?
No.
Really? Shut up! I had to do it.
Isn't it hard when you learn it the wrong way and then in your mind you can't picture it the right way?
Yeah, I'll
Like,
never get
no,
rid of.
I'm staying with the way I sing it.
Yeah, no, I will never get rid of "Shut Up, Korea."
It still fits. Reminds me of that time that Ronnie James Dio messed up his song,
Oh yeah.
and his response was, "So what? You don't want to hear it the same way every time, do you?"
I love that.
Like, what a great response.
Hmm.
Everyone else would have been like, "Oh man, I really screwed up. What do I do now?" He's just like, "Yeah, you don't want to hear it the same way every time, do you?" It's all about the way you present it.
Oh, I don't know what happened, but I better go find out what happened.
What happened?
I don't know. Sounded like a big cat crash.
What about Daylight? You like that one?
Daylight? I don't know.
Oh Lord, I love it and I hate it at the same time. You know that one?
No skills. Sent a gift. Nah. Okay, let me go see what happened. Someone may be hurt. Give me a
What's up
second.
with all this mellow stuff?
Oh, I was muted. I'm sorry. And I was gonna say Omnius. Yeah, that one I know.
You know that one?
Yeah.
Daylight?
God, I love it and I hate it at the same time.
That's a pretty catchy song.
Yeah, it's crazy popular. He for sure knows it, Mike. He just didn't hear it. Sing it to him a little bit.
Yeah, sing it to him. I don't know how anybody could not know it. Especially if you listen to the radio.
Yeah.
No skills with the party hat. 20 joules. Let's party. Trade never after. No trade till 9:45. But can we trade after that? Right? Trading never after 9:45?
It's funny, I do that too.
Yeah, it was a play on the words. It's okay.
Just not right now, okay? Where are you?
I'm right here. Where are you?
I'm right here. Where are you?
Take a break.
I want to take a break. We just got here. It's time to trade now.
Gonna die of exhaustion. Oh, thank you, Martin, for telling me. I completely forgot. My mic is on. I don't even know if my mic is on.
Your mic is on.
Yeah, I've been responding to everything you say.
36 minutes ago, if Iran shoots at a ship in Strait of Hormuz, U.S. will bomb and destroy one bridge or power plant, including locations in Tehran.
Yeah, I heard that.
Did you see that candle when it happened?
Pre-market
Alex?
highs. 1 minute.
Sorry?
Did you see the candle when that happened?
I'm guessing it's a candle at 856.
Yeah, somewhere around there.
Yeah, it makes sense because it said here 36, 37 minutes
like
ago.
70 points in like a split second. I'm pretty sure if anybody was long, their stop loss didn't work. And they got stopped out 70 points.
I was like one of those flash candles.
Oh, yeah.
Mm.
One of those, what just happened? Somebody said something candles. Trade never after. I hope no skills in laws is safe. That'd be crazy, wouldn't it? Living there. I hope they're safe too, man. I'd be trying to get out of there. Like, how crazy would it be? You're living in one country, and on the news, they keep talking about bombing the country that your family lives in.
Very scary.
That's scary stuff, man.
Yeah, not fun.
Okay. I will soon have my camera set up. Did you guys get your camera set up yet?
What was I supposed to do?
I don't even know where it is. I lost it. I think it's this.
I literally click like 3 buttons. I don't know what you do.
Me neither. I don't know what I do.
Well, Omnius, you know it never worked. The only reason why it worked is that I found some setting in.
Yeah, I told him. I forgot.
Yeah, we found some random setting that said like dual channels or whatever that you can run on multiple platforms, and I just clicked it and we went to go check and it worked on both.
Is that on the camera or Discord?
No, settings on the computer if I'm not mistaken, right, Mike? Or is it Discord?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
No,
sorry. You can get it from Discord, but it'll bring you to the settings of the computer.
I don't know if I have that selected or not.
I think it was
guess
like
because I use
video.
a virtual camera. I guess I've never had that problem. I don't know. Mine will turn off sometimes, and I got to turn it off, turn it back on.
My mic does that. My microphone will occasionally do that.
Yeah, mine too.
But it's rare.
We're getting close to the pre-market high. Still watching it.
Yep. And it's triple equal highs on NQ.
Darth Bane got some time for y'all this morning. Sweet. Y'all will have me channel hopping so I can like everybody. Sweet. Darth Bane, the Force is with you, my friend. Mike, what do they call the dark side of the Force? Is it still the Force?
Yep.
Yep. They call it the forest. No, I don't know what it is.
It's called the Force,
I don't know.
I think. Let's Google it.
I'm
To be
sure
honest
Trade
with you,
Never After knows.
I'm not really listening. I'm still working on my camera.
What are you doing to the camera?
I'm trying to fix it.
Yeah, it's called
Trying to get it.
the dark side.
The dark side of the Force?
Just dark side. Yeah, the dark side of the Force, also known as Bogan, regarded as the dark side of the Unity by the sorcerers of Tuned.
Trade Never After. Alex, I started the day off with all that BS. Camera not working, spilt beer on the keyboard. I switched it to the wife's, and I'm going to say, what did you do?
Switched it to the wife's.
Just the dark side. Trade Never After you spilt your beer? What?
A beer at 9:30 a.m. is crazy.
It's
A guy that drinks beer at 9:30 a.m. spilling his beer is crazy. I've
yeah.
seen people literally like trip over their own feet and do like 3 or 4 rolls and still not spill their beer. They come up with the beer like, I still got it. Yesterday. I was talking about yesterday. Okay.
Okay, let's take a look and see what we got. Let's get onto my account. Something is wrong. They don't match, but they match. You don't need to understand what I'm talking about.
Darth Bane. Fucking always just the Force. Stupid Jedi and other lightsiders try to follow the will of the Force. Yes,
Sparky, get out
Bogan.
of here. You're not up on my
Is that really
desk.
what it's called? Bogan? The Force?
Yeah.
Us dark side folks bend the Force to our will. Wish I could bend trading to my will, right?
We did not take out the pre-market high. I'm still watching it.
Anybody figures out how to bend the candles to your will, let me know.
Seems like I can only vent them rightwards.
We're in
I mean, I
just
can
over
make them
VWAP.
move. If I take a long, they'll go short, and if I go short, they'll go long. Sometimes you just gotta take a short trade just to make them go long, so you can jump in the long and make money.
Push. I have good news.
Martin, how do I set as default a fib retracement template in Ninja? You go to fib retracement, you set it how you want, and then you click save as default.
That's
Mike,
break.
you might have you or
Let's
Alex
break
might
me
have
up.
a better answer than that.
I don't use Ninja, I wouldn't know.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, look at this. Where is it?
Typically, what I do is draw a box, and in the middle of the box is a line, and that's your 50% retracement.
Watch this, children.
It's easy on TradingView. TradingView, it's like the third button to the left, and you have the whole fib retracements, and in the settings, you could set whatever you want on it.
I think you can do the same on Ninja. Where's that?
Yeah, for sure.
I don't use fib retracement, so I don't really know. Yeah, it's right there. Just click it.
3 good. Impulses even to avoid. I didn't even think about it. And I'm at 96. I'm targeting 150. Thank you very much.
There you go. Edit price levels. Scroll down to the bottom. So that's that, Martin. Scroll down to the bottom. It says 7 levels. Click on it. It says edit price levels. And you're going to edit what you want for your percentage. Click OK, and then click template, save as default. Hopefully that helps. Alex, do you use fib retracements?
Sometimes, but not really. Because anyways, I have my cycles, like every 30 minutes it forms a box, and I have a line at 50% all the time, so I already know when I'm in a premium or a discount.
Yeah, Mark, no problem. Yeah, I used to use a box. Whether
Yeah.
I'm on NinjaTrader or TradingView, I just draw a box.
I'll only use it if
Box
I
has a
want
line
like
in the middle, so
the daily. Like for the full day, I'll use the Fibonacci tool, but besides that, no.
Just want to bring attention. We broke the pre-market highs. And I avoided one impulse to sell early because I wanted to make money, and I said, no, this account is not about making money. This account is
About losing money.
about following the process.
Following
That's
the process.
what I'm doing. Following the process. There's no making money here. Don't even think about the money. Just click where you're supposed to and see what happens. If you lose, you lose. You win, you win.
Is it following the first process or the process for the process?
No.
But is there a backup process?
Mike tells me that. I hate it when he tells me that. I
Beautiful.
find it so funny.
Beautiful. Shut up. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Today gonna
What's
be
he tell you,
good.
backup
I
process
got a
for the
process to my process. And if I don't follow
Hey,
that
check it out,
process, I got a
babies.
process to the other process.
One impulse avoided. 5 trades, 5 winners. 140. I'm $10 away. Pat me on the back. Don't let them bully you, Mike. I'm not even listening to them. I'm not even listening to them. I am focused.
But he's texting me to be quiet.
Focus.
No, I'm not. Liar. Liar, liar, pants on fire. I am focused.
You gotta focus.
You got this, Mike.
You got this, Mike.
You
May
got
the dark
this,
side of
Mike.
the force be with you.
Mm-hmm.
And the light side of the force. You got both. It don't matter.
$10 away, but it doesn't matter. Just saying.
What?
It doesn't matter. $10 away, but it doesn't matter. Oh, from hitting the target and closing down that account. And having a perfect day. That's the most important part.
What? $10 away? Okay, full port now.
Nope.
3
No,
minis.
no. Don't infect my brain. You don't bring none of that poison here. I'm even taking a bit of a break. Just to relax, because I feel my adrenaline is a little high.
Yeah.
So did Apex send an email about extending the $49?
You know what's funny? I was
think
just
I
gonna
did
ask that.
too.
I'll check for you because I was curious last night because normally they do that.
I didn't get. I mean, I didn't look. Oh, impulse avoided. I love it.
No, I didn't get
Boom.
anything. It says ends tonight. Last chance. Stock up while you can.
Yeah.
Ends Tuesday, July 21st.
It says it's ended, but it's still there. I don't know if they extended it or they just hadn't closed it yet.
Asia buy side and previous day high looks so nice to go grab for bullish today.
funny because the 25K is $70, but the 50K is 49.
For real.
Darth, I have edge.
Oh wow, the 100K is 59. I didn't even know that.
I have serious edge, Darth. I've showed the equity graph and all the numbers already a few times.
Mike, did you know that?
I know I should be in a one lot right now.
So we talked about the 50K for 49. I didn't even know the 100K was 59.
It's a good deal for
Win or
100K.
lose.
Yeah.
I accept my fate. Oh shit! Oh my god, now what do I do?
Except
I'm
your
going
fate.
with my higher probability system. No, the PM triggered short, but I'm long. I'm staying long, guys, if I can get out. How much do I need? I need $10. Come on, tick me off, and then I can go short on another account. 149.30. I'm taking it. I'm stopping at 149.30. 9:30. Hold on. That was a good trade. It was perfect. It was actually a perfect trade.
Perfect.
9.30. You know what? No, I can't cheat. Let's make sure the account matches the right amount. Stop trading session.
Perfect.
149.90. No, the numbers were wrong. Okay, I gotta fix them. Doesn't matter. Screenshot saved. I'll have to redo it. And can I get in on the pre-market trade somewhere? Do I have an account that I can do that with? Yes, I do. Let's go to my master account. Sell a 3 lot. I got just about the perfect price. Let's open this up. F8. Target 1-to-1. Templates. Load. Black chart. Load. Okay, there we go. Okay. Now we watch. We are targeting 138.51 for 2/3 of the position. Ooh, we got to break through VWAP. Oh, nice. Is everyone gone?
No, I'm here.
Am I
I'm
the
here.
only one?
I'm muting myself. I have to blow my nose and stuff. I am a little bit sick.
Oh, I thought everyone.
Now I'm here. I was looking at something. Plus, you were talking about something, so I was like, yeah, whatever he's rambling about.
Yeah,
Was it at least something good?
ramble on. Led Zeppelin has a song called Ramble On.
Is that what it's called, or they just keep saying it over and over and over in the song?
I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. Okay, the 50% add. That's a beautiful trade.
Long or short?
Short. PM fade trade.
Gotcha.
Just focus on that for today. Or now, I'm not going to focus on anything else. Sit back, let it play out. It had 2 winners this week, if I'm not mistaken, and 1 loser.
Ooh.
Oh, almost got that.
Sick. Why you did that?
Not me, but I'm watching.
Got me out of one, but didn't take the other one. Why you did that?
Why you did that?
Delta's still trying. Still trying, man. Still trying.
Close to getting stopped out.
Give me the 15. I'll take it.
I got the stop at. Hard to see. I got to make that paler. I think it's 218.
Why so serious?
Why so serious? Oh,
So serious, Batman.
Apex took a partial on the long, and we are out. There we go. Okay.
What do I want to trade? Mike,
What's
the hardest plan of the day is what's accounts that we want to trade.
Yep.
Like a 10-minute pre-market session or something to just sit here and think.
What's
do I
up,
need
TA?
trade? What do I want to trade?
Okay, watching for trade number 2. What's important, we follow the process. I'm sorry, guys. I know I'm not participating in the conversation. I'm just having self-talk, but I got to do what I got to do, right? I got to get myself back on track. Can't worry about other people.
Well, if it throws you off track, then stick to yourself forever now, no?
You mean always do self-talk only? No, that would
Yeah,
make
you
for
said
a
that's the only
boring
thing
stream.
that works.
Well, it's gonna. What's working now? I got to put in the extra effort, then it becomes muscle memory. But right now, I got to do the extra effort.
He's like, don't ever talk to anybody.
No, but for now, I'm working on stuff. Hey, TA, I'm working on my game. I'm on the ice now in practice. The lights in the arena are dim. There's no one in the stands. It's the coach and me, and he's saying focus.
Focus, Michael. Focus.
We do what we have to do, how we do. Whatever works.
We do what we do when we do what we do. Is that what you're saying?
Yep. If you have to wear Red Sox for it to work, wear Red Sox.
You have to wear red socks and wear the damn red socks. Trade never after. I just did the like thing for everyone. You done
Everyone, way to go.
Darth Bane, question. Have you guys always been traders? Or did y'all at some point have regular jobs? If so, what times did y'all trade? How did y'all reconcile work, family, trading, etc.? At some point, said screw the job because it's getting in the way of the trading, right?
Don't ask me. I started learning in university. So my finance degree hasn't been put to use yet.
For me, I was recruited by the Montreal Exchange out of university for their trader training program. It was intended to put traders on the floor. They took 30 students and they trained you and put you on the floor. So I started right out of university.
I would say though, if you have a job and you can make trading work, I would definitely keep the job because that gives you the flexibility in trading. The hardest part of trading really is that if you're trying to make it full-time income, trading's not always consistent. And it gets very difficult when you're trying to get money to put food on the table.
Yes, sir.
And that's when you really realize that it's really hard to be a trader because the harder you have to make the money, the harder it is to make the money. So
Martin,
I would suggest everybody have something on the side or something else or a full-time job to be able to do it also.
it was the Montreal Exchange. It wasn't in Chicago. We were in the futures pit. I didn't get to choose the indicators. It was what was up on the monitors above us. I don't know. I think there was about 8 of them. I don't even remember what was on them. I don't think there was much. It might have just been price, a couple of price grids maybe, and maybe there was an EMA on it, but there really wasn't much.
Trade never after. Just get a sugar mama. Absolutely. Follow that guy for more advice.
Mm.
Plus, we have things set up to be able to work better anyways. Wife works, got most of the bills paid. It's about setting up other things in life where you don't need, where you can go a period of time without large sums of money.
Boom. Okay, well, I'm waiting for the second trade. Yeah, so I think the obvious question or the elephant in the room is, Mike, if you've been doing this so long, why do you make so many mistakes and why are you so undisciplined at times? Well, you know what they say about old traders? They come with a lot of baggage, huh? Easier to train a new trader than an old trader.
Mike Trey Never After says, when the wife gets mad, just tell her to calm down. Everything will
Oh,
be
yeah.
okay.
Yeah, calm down. Hey, calm down, lady.
Follow him for more advice.
Bro, at the end of the
Look
day,
right in
it's
your
all
eyes
you.
and you say, you just need to calm down.
There's no difference
Don't
between
work.
a new trader and an old trader.
If that don't work, Mike, you look her right in the eyes again.
It's all
and say,
discipline. It's not that you have more
"You're acting
baggage.
Like your mother.
Hold on. I'm in the second PM trade here. So close to the stop. Fuck! Stopped out. Shit. What?
Alex, what was you saying?
I was saying it's not that there's more baggage. It all comes down to discipline. The issue is you break your rules so much that like when you decide to break one rule, you think it's like doesn't have that much of an effect, and then you keep breaking the same rule.
Well, the problem is
And
that's
after eating shit for a while, you're like, maybe I should fix it for the 159th time.
Yeah, that's how I explore, though. You know, it's just like that's how kids learn. Also, it's by learning and following.
Yeah, you put your hand on the stove one time, you don't put it on the stove 900 times. You know it's gonna burn you.
That's the problem. I come with a lot of stubbornness. I got to see it over and over and over and over and over, and I still want to confirm. Maybe it was just the market period that it didn't work. Maybe
It's
it
not
works
confirmed.
now.
You can't help yourself. You're not confirming
Yeah.
shit. You already know it doesn't work. What are you confirming?
I know.
Trading is
I
beating
can't
the
agree with it.
stubborn out of you.
The stove burns.
I still want to see.
No, you don't want to see. You just hope to make extra money. When you're attached too much to the money, you're not making no money.
You got it. You got it. Absolutely, 100%. That's why what we're doing now, me and Martin, this account is not for making money. It's to cement the habit of following the rules in the process. I don't know if you guys can see my, I put in an emergency message.
Only one account, right? Not the others.
No, I'm going to move it to the others also, but right now it's just a, there's the emergency message. Save, close, go back.
Yeah, Darth Bane, if you're making really great money at your job, I definitely wouldn't quit. Thing is to find time to be able to trade before or after. That's a good thing about futures is it goes 23 hours a day. Then if you need to do other things, maybe swing trade some stocks or something. The more you can do, if you can start making money with futures, money with stocks, then you're closer to that goal.
And gotta say, the crazy thing is the evening session has been given some pretty good trading lately.
Yeah, I remember when the evening used to just be dead.
Oh my God, dead beyond dead.
There's so many people in trading futures now. There's pretty much liquidity all through the day. Darth Bane, crypto too. You trade crypto?
I don't have it, TA. I don't even know how to do that.
Alex, you trade crypto?
No, I don't trade it. I have crypto, but I don't trade it, no.
I don't know. I just like futures for the day trading. The swing trading, I use the stocks. I find some more stocks yesterday. Everybody else's stocks go down and start crying. I'm like, yeah, let's go buy some more. driving. We'll answer later. Sweet.
Hey, Mubsy. How's the mob treating you? Luna? Canine? Kuya? Where you guys all coming from? Lafayette? Pirate? Diablo? Centimillion? Geronimo?
Maybe somebody shared the stream, huh?
I was just making up some names. Making it sound busier than it really was.
Whatever works, right?
I'm funny, huh? Hey, Mubsy.
But just a quick reminder, guys, if you can, share the stream. If you have a Twitter or Facebook, different Discord you're in, share the stream.
Yeah, don't be shy.
What do they call it, Mike? Support a streamer. You gotta eat.
Yeah, TA, you could. But the issue is I do it through OBS.
Hourly still looks bullish. What's our target? No skills. What's the next stop?
Asia buy side. 337.
That's your target?
Yeah, it's a target that makes sense. Don't have a trade for it yet. That's my target since 9:30.
I don't know. We got channel. Could see 29,550. No skills 29,350. Yep. Thinking that we're making these higher highs and higher lows. Push back up to the top of the channel around 550.
Yeah, it's
Hell,
one or the
no
other.
way. My water tank froze. How does a water tank freeze in the summer?
He must be somewhere cold.
Yeah, that is weird, eh?
Does suck though. You don't realize how much you appreciate a hot shower until you don't have a hot shower.
Yeah.
Oh man. You be jumping in and out so fast. I had to do it one time, well, a few months ago when the water had an issue with the water heater. I'm like trying to stand outside. I'm like in the shower, but the sprayer is pushed over to the side. Like trying to like splash a little bit of water on and soap up and splash it off. It was horrible. Remember, we are in winter. What? Hell no, wait, where you at?
Australia?
Can't be winter in Australia.
Yeah, they're opposite seasons.
What?
They're opposite. Australia is winter when we're summer.
That sounds like some fuckery there.
Crazy, eh?
Argentina. Crazy.
They see the other side of the moon than
yeah,
we
I
do.
heard that.
They're night when we're day, I think, and they're winter when we're summer.
And the man on the moon is a woman.
I'm
Her.
serious. I'm not making shit up. That's all true what I said.
Absolutely, 100%.
Matt. Okay. Now you're showing your ignorance.
And the man on the moon is a woman.
Put your ignorance back in your pants. They see we have that circle or that thing on the moon, you and me. At the bottom, they have it at the top. Because they're upside down. What you need to do is do a handstand. Yeah. And you'll see the moon the way they see the moon.
Yeah, they are upside down.
The way I see the moon and you can't unsee it.
Yeah, they're upside down.
Yeah, I know I'm not being sarcastic.
This cartoon, was it like D's Trucks or something?
What is it, a banana?
And then once you see it in the moon, you can't unsee it.
Yeah.
Let's see if I can find a picture. I forget what it's called. I think it's D's Tracks or... Probably not be able to find. I don't remember the name of
it. What did I say? I said NQ was relatively weaker, and it still is relatively weaker. NQ is still under previous day's close. ES broke previous day's close and swept, souped, wicked, whatever word you want to use, previous day's high. So I'm continuing. I'm continuing my discipline on my master account. It's going great. I have a loss which probably would have been much, much larger had I been not disciplined. Oof, trading, who said trading good is easy?
Trading is easy. All you do is press
I'm exhausted.
That's that mental exhaustion.
You know, the crazy thing is it comes so easy for my boys.
Sometimes I don't follow my rules, but it's a lot rare. It's a lot more rare than you.
Yeah, well, no one's perfect. No one's perfect.
Again, I say it's because you scalp, so you get a lot more opportunities or potential opportunities that you might pull the trigger on. I don't.
Alright, I found a picture, but it's facing the other way. If you look in the moon, you kind of see that shape right there, but facing the other way, you got to invert it. See if I can find a picture of the moon put beside it.
T, are you talking about Discord? Or are you talking about YouTube itself? Because on Discord, all you guys gotta do is join the same channel and you can click pop out and you'll have it on a little screen.
Right, there we go. That there.
Yeah, Discord, all you gotta do is click this button over here.
Wish I could flip it. See it right there, the mouth? eyes right there. Be going down that way. Mike, you see it?
No, I'm busy.
Oh, he's busy. All right.
Focused.
Well, only chance you've ever got to see it. Now you can't see it. Now it's gone.
The far side of the moon?
The woman on the moon.
The dino truck in the moon.
Mm.
Wait, can you pop it back for 1 second? I want to take a look. I want to see if I know what it is.
Reopen window. There you go. Okay.
1 second. I'm there in 3, 2.
This one over a little.
All right, watch this.
Hard to picture the dino truck's the wrong angle.
1 sec. There's an ad.
Yeah, I got one too.
It's finishing. Boom. Oh, okay, I see it.
I have to put it in Photoshop and spin this picture. All right, so here's the mouth of the dino truck. Here's the mouth on the moon, right? The eye coming down. See the base of the truck.
I'm just curious. What's a dino truck? It sounds like it's from the Flintstones.
What did I just tell you? It's a cartoon my kid used to watch.
Oh.
Anyways, if it was more facing that way, you'd be able to see it better. You see the mouth right there? The eye, the track part.
Where's the woman on the moon, though?
He's like, I wanted to see the woman on the moon.
What kind of telescope you got? You can see women on the moon.
We got a telescope. You ever use them? Those little cheap ones? They suck, don't they?
Nah. I look at the moon with binoculars. That's the best I can say.
No skills. Hold on, let me smoke a joint and then bring that picture up. Yep.
He's gonna see more than just a car.
Mike, how about this one? Did you know this one? So, you buy a brand new Samsung phone. Everybody does this. They go out and they take a picture of the moon.
And they zoom in, what, like 100 times?
I don't know how much mileage it's in, but it takes like this really good picture of the moon, and everyone's like, look how great my camera is. Look at the picture of the moon. But then come to find out, they kind of almost AI Photoshop the moon in your picture.
Yeah.
And turns out they do that for quite a few things.
Mm.
I think one's the Eiffel Tower. Some of the popular sites and stuff people go to, they take pictures.
Rips did that with his car.
Yeah, Rip's car, yeah, same thing, yeah. I forget what they call it, but it's kind of like it uses AI.
Augmentation.
Yeah, to kind of augment the moon in the picture. It's like, wow, that's a really good picture.
Girls do that with their boobs.
No skills. You're trying to get me in trouble reading that comment, ain't you? I'll let Mike read it.
Nope. Busy. Focused.
I'll let Mike
See,
read
if I
it.
read it out now, then he'll say again, we'll have a repeat of yesterday.
If you read it out and if it was what I think it is, you're going on mute for 20 minutes. A timeout.
You're going to put us on timeout. Fella, how's it going, man?
Hey, Buffalo.
Was a funny
Fair-
comment.
There's Bueller. Good morning, JC. Right now I have your chat covered with Discord because I was posting I'm posting my results in Discord, which is important.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
JC, come on.
I need to get my shit back in order.
Yeah, you should.
go.
You got to have a good flow, you know what I mean?
Can't go on like this.
Nah,
No,
logged up, man, just make you grumpy all day.
No, I mean, I got a PA. I'm not a PA. I'm the master accountant Bullinox that, like last time, is quite high up there, and I just got to make sure I don't give them another birthday gift and throw it away. Because their withdrawal process, you have to ask on Friday, and it gets processed the next Wednesday. And of course, they have the 5-day trading rule, so I'm continuing to trade it. And I'm making sure I don't do damage. But yet, trading it like I always do. Staying disciplined. Anyways, look, people, or not people, that's wrong. I talk about it when I struggle. Let me enjoy talking about it when I'm having a good day also. Not only that, I promise today will be a good day. I will not screw it up like I did the last time when I told Skelly I won't touch it and I blew a $1,200 profit on a PA. This time I will not touch it. So much so that I'm closing Bullinox right now. There you go. Bullinox closed. Follow your rules, absolutely. It's easy.
Easy.
It's easy. It's so easy.
All you have to do is follow the rules.
Not sure. I'm kind of focused on myself right now. Now I'm going to go look at No Skills comment. Did he delete it? Stole my joke. I'll read it quietly.
Rule number 1, follow the rules.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Follow rule number 1. Rule number 3, follow rule number 2.
That's not nice. How come I can't remove it?
What? It was a funny comment.
No, I don't like it. It's my boys. I'm protective. How come I can't remove comments anymore on your stream?
Wow, what do you say? Show me. What do you mean you're protective?
You've taken away my ability to remove a comment?
Nah.
That's not nice.
It's your fault if you don't know how to remove it.
Nah, you click on the 3 dots.
He said, I had to leave Alex's stream because those guys are gay.
Sorry, I had to clear my throat. All I got is channel activities, go to channel, report, and block. I don't have delete or anything like that anymore.
It's the same guys on every stream.
I've been demoted.
Some people just can't take a joke.
Not the same one. Find a new theme. No, I got a shield. That's funny. I should be able to. Anyways, doesn't matter. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Let me see over here. Yeah, over here on my channel, I have remove, put
Hey,
user
Big
in
Mike,
timeout.
they're not talking about me. They're talking about you and Omnius. Look. He's like, I gotta be protective of my boys. It wasn't even to his boys.
Less protective.
Wow. Take a joke, man. It was funny.
Come on, Mike. Stop
funny.
crying. It's okay. I figure I bullied you enough just for you to understand what jokes are. Don't gotta be so sensitive. It's a random person behind the screen at home.
Go there.
Chill
Let me
out, man. Chill
let me go back to blocking the comments. I was doing better. You will not make me lose money on my accounts. You will not make me. What did the guy say in Seinfeld? Serenity now. Serenity now. He was funny. Ben Stiller, Jerry Stiller. You know what they say, right? Out of sight, out of mind.
Trade never after. Let's do butt jokes. Mike don't like butt jokes.
Your chat is closed. It's not even on my screen anymore. Ooh, I'll just sing. I'm gonna sing.
He likes the front hugs. Or the front hugs from behind, but not the butt jokes.
Shut up. Korea. Doom, 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 doom. Up. Our package is here.
No skills. I mean, it is hump day. That's why you guys make it interesting. Like it is hump day.
It is? I would make a joke, but my son's on the stream.
Bro,
That's the best time, isn't it?
No. Nobody wants to hear their dad making dirty jokes about their mom. I certainly wouldn't have wanted. I certainly wouldn't have wanted.
That's going a bit too far.
My mama. No, not my mama. My wife. Sorry. See what you did? You had me flustered.
No, you can't make dirty jokes about your wife in front of your son. Come on, man.
Come on.
Come on, man. Wait, does that mean we can't tell no yo mama jokes?
You can do whatever you want. I'm not listening anymore.
Yo mama so fast she came and wipe her own ass.
My wife hates yo mama jokes.
I am officially not on this stream anymore. I'm just here to look pretty.
Yo mama so ugly when she cries the tears go down the back of her head. Oh,
Yo mama jokes are always fun, man.
Yeah, they are funny.
Okay, close that. Let's go look at Apex. See what's going on at Apex.
Take a look at that 100K.
Any size
$59.
evals. Oh yeah, 90% off. Log in. If you log in, they say the specials on the page there now, which I like. Good idea, eh? You log in right away on the site. It says, oh, what's going on?
Really? I didn't see that. I always got to log out to see what's going on.
Really? Mine's when I log in.
How stupid you have to log out of the account to see what's going on.
Yeah,
I'm gonna log in, see if I can see it.
Go to your. I'll tell you where it is. Maybe they start me off at a different page. Maybe they just start me off.
All I see is this white page of nothing.
Okay, click on dashboard, top left.
I'm on the dashboard.
Okay, and then you get the announcements.
Not me.
You don't have an announcements?
Nope.
Wow. Maybe your screen is not full screen?
I'll have affiliate announcements.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. And it says all the specials.
Marketing assets and company
logos.
logos.
Right now it doesn't say it. You're right. You're right. That's exactly what I have. Right now it doesn't say it, but usually
Latest
it's over there.
Promotional assets, affiliate info. That's all I got.
Yeah, there's not much there right now.
No, but if you log out, you go to the top of the page and it tells you the current sale and everything.
It just says 90% off.
Yeah, you can scroll down, you get all the stuff. You don't get any of that when you log in. Why would you want people to log out of your site to see what's going on?
Yeah, kind of weird if you think about it.
Don't you want them to be there and logged in?
Yeah, kind of weird if you think about it.
All right, intraday, no activation, 100K, $59. No activation. They're really liking that no activation now, ain't they?
I don't see what you're seeing. I don't have it anywhere. Went all the way down to the bottom. Doesn't show current specials.
So no if you get the standard 100K, you got to pay $39. But then when you pass, you got to pay $100. If you do the no activation,
are you clicking on something?
$59, but then when you pass, you don't pay activation.
Explore products. What are you clicking on that you see that?
You got to log out, and then you got to scroll down to the
choose your funding path and then you pick your thing?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, well, then you got to play around. You don't know.
What do you mean? You just click on intraday, no activation, 50K and 100K. Come on, man. It's funny because the 25K costs more than the 50 and the 100.
Oh, shit, I have more accounts. Thanks for reminding me. Anyways, take it easy. Breathe. That's what my alert says. Breathe. That's a long way. Intraday. Then you got to go standard, 25, 50, 100. Then you got to go end of day. 20. It's too much work. They should have just a grid or something. Or the current special.
Tell them.
No. They have to figure it out themselves, just like trading.
They're always asking what people think they can improve.
Mobsy. Again?
Am I the only one that answers those questions?
Yep. El Nawe is from Argentina. Am I seeing old texts? Yes.
I always answer that question also. I'm not shy to answer that.
Which one?
The question, if I'm on the right track, what you guys are talking about, it's what we can improve or what don't you like?
Oh, yeah.
You answer that question?
All the time. What do I care? They're asking it. And they know how 99% of people are just going to lie to them and say, no, everything's good. Don't worry.
I told them I want the 50K to be back to 2,500 trailing drawdown.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, 2K's a bit low.
Yep.
At that point, they made it like the 100K, right? I think the 100K is a 1 to 1.5.
You said they've been getting a few people telling them that. So I always tell them that. Oh, look, come on, give us 2,500 back. Did we take a long, nice delta push? Can they do it? Can they do it? Mike, I hate it when I see an entry and I want to jump in, and then I look at the time and I still got like a minute left before the candle closes. So then do you get in early or do you wait?
No, you wait. You gotta be patient.
You wait.
Because that last 10 seconds of the candle can reverse like 30 points.
Right?
Then you go, oh shit.
That's the correct answer, is you wait. It is difficult sometimes though.
Yeah, it is.
But see, like now the delta came back down and the candle might not close at the high. I mean, it's a weak candle.
Yeah, I agree. I saw conflicting statements because SMB Capital says when your candle is super strong, your confirmation candle, you can front run it because you don't want to miss out on like 10, 15, 20 points to wait 30 seconds. But the opposite is also true. You can also get slapped.
Yeah, lowered
slapped
size.
Most of the time.
Yeah, I think so too.
Size.
When I do that,
should have been more powerful. It could work, but this SI been going sideways. Yep.
What's SI?
Assuming it was supposed to be shit. I could be wrong. There you go. It was a nice delta. You can do it. You can do it. Take it for the 12 points. Don't need to be a hero. Don't need to be a hero, Mike.
Nope. I'm not.
It's talking about me.
Oh.
Trade never after. I need to pee. This is too funny. Wait, why is peeing funny? Might not want to know the answer to that one.
Yeah, me neither. Is there mushrooms growing down there?
Oh, no skills. Name this. What is it? I don't know. I can't see it. My eyes are too bad. Mike, what's that board when you're playing games? You slide little pieces back and forth to keep score. Is that what it is?
Abacus?
I thought you was talking about
Omnius, you missed the
that
jokes.
horror game, the
What's
Ouija
the
board.
jokes, man? Let us know.
The Ouija board, yeah.
Is it Ouija or Ouija?
Abacus?
Ouija
Either
board,
way.
huh?
Yeah, some say Ouija.
Yeah, it's Ouija board.
Is that what I want? Backgammon?
Probably not. The Ouija board is that thing that everyone puts their hands on, and the ghost moves it to certain letters to form words and tries to speak to you.
Oh yeah, Ouija board. I know what that is. That's talking about the thing that he put up. It's for old timer math. So I was right. It is the thing that you slide little pieces sideways.
Yeah, abacus.
Is that really what it's called?
Hmm?
I didn't know that.
The cats are
And hear what you said, you cut out. All I heard is the cats.
Cats are quiet. I don't even see them.
You learn something new every day with no skills. No skills is the man.
Yeah, I'm gonna spend a little bit more time watching what he's doing. I think he's got
Trade Never
a.
After don't teach us something every day.
I think he's got a nice edge.
Who? No skills?
No skills, yeah. I think he's doing good. He's got some good setups, good trades. Bad jokes though, wouldn't you say? Like, you know, in general.
He's got some pretty good jokes.
Yeah, no, different taste. If you like that stuff, I guess.
Some people are just sensitive to it.
Yeah, if you like that stuff, I guess I can see. Live and let live, right? Oh shit, there's trouble.
Serious about my love for... No.
No trouble. Cool. Thought there was trouble in the house.
What's the trouble?
I don't know. The way my wife was walking around kind of sounded like if there was a water leak. She was walking around, the way she was walking, the speed and everything sounded like there was urgency to her pace.
There's always urgency. I told you guys walk like elephants in the house.
No. She was walking fast. She was on the stairs in the basement. She never comes down in the basement.
You guys walk like
So-
you guys have weights tied to your ankles.
We do. We're exercising.
Dish.
Look how strong I am.
Sounds like SWAT at the front door.
Oh, hold on. What?
Did y'all live in that house when
Ow.
you were younger?
Which house? Where I used to live?
Did you get her that big down?
I guess the one Mike lived
Well,
with.
move the
Yeah, I've
thing
been
so
there
she
my
can run down the
entire
stairs.
life.
She knows
I
where her
just
home
haven't.
is.
I haven't been there for the last like year and a couple months.
Move it.
But I had to
What
start.
I was thinking was y'all get in trouble and Mike's like stomping through the house like it's coming. It's
No,
coming."
but they used to walk so heavy that during naps I started to sleep with white noise. They'd walk by my room. It sounded like an elephant's walking by. Dish.
I knew there was an emergency. The kitten got upstairs, broke through the barrier I made. Went upstairs. Bella was losing her mind.
That's funny.
The kitten's hiding under the couch now. Not going to get him out, and they're going to terrify it. I got to go.
Dealer rolled 69. Is that how we got to do it? How's it go?
What on this?
They're playing Deal or No Deal on my chat without the Deal or No Deal. Stupid commercials. Playing real kind of game in the chat, don't I?
Brian Q has done
Oh,
nothing
okay.
since 10 o'clock.
I think they're trying to tell me I need some kind of chat game.
No time to play. When you get distracted, you miss your setup.
Yeah, right now it's just kind of sideways.
Yeah.
Me, when I see markets like that, I'm like, yeah, I don't want to do it. That's the kind of market that takes all your money.
Yeah, this is garbage. Even yesterday PM was garbage.
I mean, I could probably trade it, but I feel like the chances of success go down. Then how would you feel if you turn a good day into a bad day?
Horrible.
Yeah,
If you're having a great update, just take it and go.
absolutely. See, I don't mind losing good trades.
Yeah.
Because then I know then we're playing the probabilities. But when you obviously see that there's issues with the trade and then you take it and then you lose,
Yeah.
I feel like
It hurts more.
on your psychology.
Yeah. Especially when the environment is crappy like this, we're continuing sideways up and down, little range.
Mm-hmm.
This is low probability environment. Yeah.
Right.
That's where discretion comes in.
Right.
Such an important topic because I saw a guy on TikTok. He's like into quant statistics and quant computing and all that crap, and he takes famous trading strategies and he puts them in like Monte Carlo simulations and he runs them through the NASDAQ for like the last like 3 or 5 or 10 years. And he goes, look, this guy claims has an 80% win rate, but when you run it, it has like a 61 or like a 48. But the issue is he's doing that mechanically. There's no discretion to anything, you know? So in markets that the days are horrible, that the setup happened 5 times, but the person that who knows his setup, he won't take none of those 5. Well, in that simulation, the 5 were taken, you know?
Right. I've seen like where people claim stuff with like the orb strategy, and I've set up bots for the orb, and like, yeah, I don't see anything near what they claim. Like you said, you got to know the strategy also, and you got to use discretion.
Yeah, you got to backtest it. You got to know when it works, when it doesn't work, the environment where it's more probable, when it's not more probable. Like the thing about the orb strategy, that's the opening range. But apparently over the last 10 years, the opening range, what statistically works better, the times change. Like this year, the 15-minute will have an edge. Next year, the 30-minute will have an edge. The one after, the 1 hour will have an edge. And we're back to the 5-minute, you know?
That's where the market's constantly changing,
Yeah.
and you have to adapt.
Yeah. That's what the guy found. The guy I was talking about, he also did the opening range theory. He did it on the 1, the 5, I think the 15-minute, and he used different time zones, like 15, 30 minutes, an hour.
Mm-hmm.
And he found the edge on different years. They were all different. Some years this was better, some years this was better. Funny.
Yep, I got a bot for that.
How markets change.
I also use different time frames also. I think the one I've been using lately, it's weird because I do it on the 2-minute chart.
Yeah.
And I have my 2-minute chart offset. So it's like a weird 2-minute chart. Long time ago, my 2-minute chart was off, so then I set it up like that, and then it fixed itself, so I had to figure out how to break it again. So right now I'm using 926 to 928.
For what?
Breakout.
Okay.
So it'd be the open range, but it's on 926 to 928 candle.
Cool. And whatever it breaks, you continue?
I only take it long right now.
Since we're in a bullish environment?
Yeah. That's the
Which
thing
is smart.
The thing I like with bots is you can run back and say, okay, we'll have a higher probability.
Oh, okay. The bot only runs it long because you have it set up for long.
Right. Right now it's just running long because that's the higher probability.
Yeah, which makes sense. I totally agree. We've been a lot more bullish, so that breakout makes sense. I completely agree. If I were to run it, I would run it long too.
That's where you got to constantly
Adapt.
work with the bots and adapt your strategy. Yeah, most 2 minutes candle go on odd time frames. Mine goes on, or on even time frame. Mine goes on odd.
Yeah, yours goes on odd. I realized mine goes on even.
Mm-hmm.
You're on Ninja,
I
right?
did that one time. What's that?
Are you on Ninja?
Yeah.
Yeah, Ninja's backwards.
Well, I had to break it to do that.
It's because they do the close, not the open.
Well, they don't do it like that. I had to reset it up to run odd time.
Oh, I thought Ninja just runs odd because if my dad has that issue too on Ninja, the candles are different. Like they work with the close, not the open of the candle itself.
Yeah, but the way I have my odds set up, I tell it to do that. Whatever makes the strategy work, right?
Yes, sir.
Whatever makes it the money. 2 minutes, blah, 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 yakety smackety. Alright. No skills, always roll at 420, huh? What y'all do to Mike? Y'all ran him off. Something about a cat.
Yeah, he doesn't want them scaring the cat, so he's gonna go try to pull his charm. He thinks the kitty only loves him. Come here, kitty.
So what is it, your mom wants to get rid of it?
Well, we don't need a second cat. We have a cat, we got a dog, and we got a mother and a sister. We have enough animals in the house.
Right? Is the sister the vicious one?
She's got an attitude and a small temper, but
The sister or the cat?
the sister, she's good.
My daughter's got a huge attitude.
Yeah, my sister does too, but
The boy's just chill. He's like, okay.
what can you do?
He'll be brushing his teeth in the bathroom, and the girl go kick him out so she can brush her teeth.
Yeah.
I gotta brush my teeth too. Bull still ain't gave up. Got kind of a bull flag. Could see more of a continuation up.
Yeah, I believe so. SMT had that low into a bullish for value gap on ES. We have a pair of equal highs on ES, and we have a lot of highs to go grab on NQ. We got already 6 highs on NQ.
Nice strong hourly candle. And we're in this up channel. I think we can go try to hit the top of that channel. And we got the bull flag on the lower time frame. Trade never after reversal to the upside or to the downside.
Good question. Short term we're a bit bearish, long term we're bullish.
I kind of think we're bullish on the short term. We got this bear flag. I mean bull flag. Coming down to the moving averages. Nice bull flag. No shortcuts. How's it going, man? What's up, Omnius? No shortcuts. Good to see you. Been slacking on Mike's chat. I don't really see anybody.
I'm gonna go short if we inverse the fair value gap here at 1046 on this candle though.
Go short if we inverse.
There's a fair value gap at 1046. I don't think we're gonna get it though.
Was that the 1 minute chart?
Yep. I'm always on the one.
So you wouldn't consider that an invalidated gap since that candle went through it?
What do you mean?
You're on the NQ?
Yeah, in Q1.
On the NQ it didn't go through as much. On the MNQ the candle wick went through the gap.
The gap on NQ1's at 1046, but the only reason why I would have went short is because we had an internal sweep. 1048 took out 1046 and we swooped below it. So I wanted strong displacement lower if I was about to go lower.
I'm saying with the gap that you have on your chart.
Yep.
If a wick goes through the gap, does that invalidate it to you or no?
Yeah, it becomes mitigated. So it becomes invalid. Because we like technically traded through it again. So we filled up the orders that were lacked on the downside.
No shortcut. Sent gold coin. Sweet, man. Thank you. Hope all is well, fellas. Being patient, waiting for a trade. Yes, sir. I'm seeing all this choppiness and saying, hands off. Alex, you take the trade?
No, not yet.
Did it, broke through?
No, I would have only taken it if it would have closed below on the candle at 1049. I want fast displacement. I don't want it to hesitate.
Gotcha.
The faster the market, the better. Higher probability.
Absolutely. Always good seeing how other people look at the market.
Yeah, it's good. Sometimes you catch things from people.
No shortcuts. You get any good trades today? How's trading day been treating you? I think we had pretty good price action with that run up. Then it just kind of went sideways from there.
For me, this is dirty price action. We're not going anywhere. We're not picking our direction. We're not going towards any pools of liquidity.
Yeah,
we're just going sideways and slowly down. Look how many highs we're forming.
What's forming?
Lower highs constantly since 10 o'clock.
Yeah. Still think it's a bull flag though if you zoom out a little bit.
Yeah, it is, which makes more sense. But except when is the flag gonna break? Because right now we have 7 highs already, 7 lower highs.
I would say at this point it would be invalidated if they break view up and hold it.
And I don't like
Not
guessing.
just like a quick push through, but you know what I mean, like hold
Yeah,
it.
yeah, closure above.
No shortcuts, no trades yet. Had to take wife to work, get equipment. Sweet. Yeah, you didn't miss that much. We've been on the chop since about 10 o'clock.
Yeah, nobody should have missed anything here. Alright, are we gonna finally break it?
Looks like the ES is getting a nice delta push. I don't have the ES chart, so I don't know what it does. I just have a delta for it.
Yeah, there's triple equal highs, a little bit still above it, with a big bearish gap.
Is it pushing up right now?
Yeah, it is.
Nice bullish delta on the ES. NQ's not really doing much. Teddy Graham, how's it going?
Well, NQ's doing nothing.
NQ's doing nothing. No shortcuts, right. I said the same. Only saw one trade I missed. Money missed is not money lost. Nope. Markets continue to move. There will be another setup. Also, we don't mind losing good trades. We just don't want to lose trades we shouldn't be in.
I'll do my best, Teddy, but this is low probability, nothing yet.
Make me rich, please. Thanks. Oh yeah, make
No
me
trade
rich.
at all, but I'm doing good. Maybe NQ wants to come back down into the BPR before pushing back up. I'll have to wait and see what it wants to do. We're going to form a nice bullish fair value gap on the 1 hour as well, so we'll see when it closes in 4 minutes if we get one more retrace lower before going back up.
Oh, I missed that support there on the 1 hour. Took a trade off of that. Was that 29,173? Could be the push. I'm seeing Delta finally coming in. See what they can do. Nice bullish flag on the 5 minute. Plus we just hit that support zone. Bounced off of that and the VWAP. See if I can average in. See if we can break this bull flag.
For me, that was clean. The candle at 10:57. It's like our first change in state of delivery. And ES is pushing strong up again. NQ should follow
nice
suit.
delta on the ES and the NQ. And the 5 minutes trying to break the flag. See if they can do it. I like this one because it's got confluence. I went in with one, dips down on it, grab a few more. See if we can push it. I like it when you start stacking confluences.
Did you realize Mike still hasn't grabbed the cat? He's still going at it.
I don't know if he fell asleep or what.
He thought he was going to go save the day and the cat was going to run into his arms.
They're probably up there fighting. We don't need another cat, Mike, but I like the little kitty.
Mm-hmm.
You like cats or no?
I'm not a cat person. I'd rather a dog, but I like the cat we do have. I don't want to keep the new one.
My daughter wants a cat so bad. I think the wife's trying to get the daughter to convince me to get a cat.
One's not so bad. You're gonna like him. It's just the they're a lot. I think they're a little bit less present than a dog. You know, a dog is more friendly, running around all the time, wants to cuddle, wants to play.
Alright, I'll take it off there for 28 points. Wish I would have got that dip out of some more contracts. Didn't want to go in too heavy with the chop and the fact that it was already pushed higher than I wanted to get in. I guess you can't get everything you want all the time. Gives me 4 trades for the day on these accounts. All winners. Not bad for a hump day. I'll take it. I'm setting up for another trade, isn't it? Setting up for a 4-bar play. too. We got another one of those things where set up great, but I'd rather at the end of the candle, not the beginning. Might have to pass on that one. Alex, you take a long?
No, I didn't take it. It's not my setup, and I only have funded, so for me it only looked nice, but I can't take it.
Mm-hmm. AD, okay, I'm out and done, guys. AD, appreciate you. How'd the day go, AD? Good day, okay. Not so good. Trade never after Mike quit. He has Alex now, so he doesn't have to try anymore. Probably just busy doing something, I would assume.
Just trying to get the cat from under the couch. Who ran away.
What, is me and Alex not good enough? See how it is, Alex?
The hate is real.
The hate is real.
They hate us because they ain't us, huh? You know what movie that's from?
I remember the same. I don't know what movie it originated from.
It's with Seth Rogen and what's it? James Franco, when they play in the interview when they go to North Korea. They hate us because they ain't us. That's a great saying, okay? That too's a good comedy.
AD, good night, guys. No FOMO, guys. No FOMO. AD, appreciate you hanging out. Good to see you had a good day. Maybe Mike just had to poop really bad. Y'all ever think of that? Norman, what is a FOMO? Norman, is that a legit question? I answer it if it's legit. Alright, I answer it either way. FOMO, fear of missing out. People lose because they take bad trades because they fear of missing out. Like right here, for example. I go to this one. It's always easier to write on TradeView. Right here, I wanted to take a trade. Actually, the candle looks different on TradingView. I would have took it on TradingView. On NinjaTrader, the candle was here, but it ended up here. So I didn't want to take a... This is too high, and this wasn't where I wanted it. So, instead of the fear that you're going to miss the trade, demand the setup that you want, and if you don't get it, walk away. So FOMO, fear of missing out. It's what gets us the most. Fear of missing out or greed. Any other questions while we're waiting? Anybody got that question they've been dying to ask?
How big is it?
Sometimes she says it's too big, and then sometimes she says it's too small. It all depends on how you give it to her.
Bigger than yours.
Ew.
I'm back.
How do you know yours is bigger than his? You've been peeping at him in the bathroom?
I'm back.
Ew.
I'm back.
Mike,
What was?
it's one thing to compare penises.
Wait, I don't hear him. I think he's trying to talk.
Comparing it with your son? Come on, man.
Mike, we're kidding. We hear you.
Yeah, no, I know. What was I saying? Oh, the emergency. The cat escaped.
How'd
Went
you get him
upstairs.
back?
We got lucky. He went in the kitchen. He was looking out the window.
No way.
At Dylan,
That's
but
so
not wanting
rude.
to go out, not scratching like he wanted to go out or anything. Like she wanted to go out, and then she kind of ran to mom near the stairs and ran downstairs. So it worked out. It took a long time because we had to move the couch, but worked out easy.
Okay. I covered for you. I told everybody you were taking a massive dump. And then you know how you get like that really big dump and the toilet gets clogged and you gotta unclog it. And, oh, it's a nightmare. You know what I mean?
I don't even know where I am, what I'm doing. Lousy.
Guys, he took a dump so big he forgot who he was.
Where I was. I know it's not stress, but I need stress. Things could be worse. That's barely a problem, right? Let's see what I got in my email box.
No skills, especially while you're eating on the toilet. Right? You're making more room. Why not put some back in there? I got you.
Okay, let's only take. Let's
You gotta
continue.
set your sandwich on the back of the toilet to plunge it.
Let's only take proper trades, disciplined trades. Let's get back to focus.
Oh, I was taking a few questions. I was explaining what FOMO is.
Hmm.
Do you want to explain it in your words?
Nah.
Okay. Any other questions?
Any other questions I could say? I don't want to answer. I'm being antisocial now.
Alright, be antisocial.
I'm allowed.
They hate us because they ain't us. Okay.
Okay. Do you like long walks on the beach? Mike, do you like long walks on the beach?
Not really. I always look how far I am from where we're camped and calculating how long it's going to take me to get back.
Oh, God. Alright, next question. You ever dance with the devil in the pale moonlight?
No, never danced with the devil.
Yeah, Scouter, they made good movies together.
Who, me and Omnius?
No, James Franco and Seth Rogen.
Oh, yeah, they're good. Remember that show that you said you saw with those guys, I
Pineapple
think?
Express?
Yeah, it was
Is that the movie
Naked
you're
and
talking
Afraid.
I
Yeah,
don't know.
Pineapple Express and This Is the End. This Is the End is more like stupid comedy. It wasn't that entertaining, but yeah, they did Naked and Afraid
Pineapple
together.
Express,
It was
one
so
of that
funny.
was
This is the end, my friend. There's a band we never talk about, The Doors.
What the hell?
Who
What
made
the
Pineapple
hell?
Express? You say Seth Rogen?
Yeah.
Wasn't he the same guy that made Idiocracy?
I don't know.
Wow, if you tell me Seth Rogen made Idiocracy, I'll watch it.
I'm gonna look it up.
Don't lie to me. I'll find out.
Mike Judd.
I don't know Mike Judd.
Let's look up Mike Judd then. I feel like he's done a bunch of stuff.
Fuck you.
Beavis and Butthead, Office Space,
Ah.
King of the Hill, Silicon Valley.
Alex, what was the show with Stewie?
Family Guy.
Family Guy. Yeah, NQ is breaking previous day's close. Took out the 10 o'clock highs. Sorry, NQ. ES did not take out the 10 o'clock highs.
I think he made Jackass also.
Who's Seth Rogen? No. Jackass is Johnny
Mike
Knoxville.
Judd.
Yeah, Jackass. My man, Johnny Knoxville.
I think Mike Judd was part of it. Shows Jackass in his movies.
What's he doing now, Johnny Knoxville? Retiring on the money he made?
Probably.
Did he start off as a YouTuber? Was that it?
I don't know.
Shit, he was funny. That's my kind of a guy. He was funny. His cast of characters were okay, but he was the main man. Okay, we're gonna Sawtooth.
Shows Mike Judd, Jackass 1, 2, Jackass 3D, R.I.P.D.
Rest in
It's
peace,
an alright movie. R.I.P.
Dolores.
Mike, now that you're back from your 45-minute break,
From your
give me a
vacation.
drink.
Break! Yeah, go ahead.
It wasn't a break.
Wasn't a break. But I did pee. I took the moment to pee. You're going on a break?
I gotta fill my drink, yeah.
No problem. In the meantime, I'm going to start setting up.
Yep.
Slowly, slowly. Slowly, slowly. What day is it today? Partially Wednesday, partially Thursday. That's the thing that I find difficult, you know, the evening session when you say previous day's close and it's 6 o'clock and you're talking about the 5 o'clock close an hour ago, but you're calling it the previous day's close. Bump, 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 bump. Not really. Close. It sucks. Back, back. What you doing, Alex? What are you looking at?
It's on my phone. 3 people were texting me at the same time.
I didn't check my text to see if we got any emergency texts. So what did I say I was doing? Yeah, I said I was going to set up. What's a good game to play today?
Yeah, you were gone for a while for the cat.
Yeah, well, I guess we were trying to figure out the best way to do it. Battlefield Soldiers. Dodgeball. Nope. Turkey Run. Nope. Let's go for Battlefield Soldiers. We are giving away an Apex account. Al, you want to play? We put you in. We'll give you some extra balls. You can't win, but you're like a market maker. If you
No.
win, we no, you don't want to be in. You don't want to stick around.
No.
Okay.
Why would I be in a raffle? You can't win. What kind of shit raffle is that?
Well, you know, just see if you should go buy a lotto ticket. If you win, you go buy
Play
a lotto
bingo,
ticket.
and if you get bingo, don't even yell bingo. Just keep quiet. What?
It means you're lucky. Means you're lucky. Yeah,
what?
I know. If you put it that way, I would never play bingo, and they tell me if you win, you don't get the prize.
If you get bingo, you can't talk.
You don't get the prize. Kind of scam is this? Okay, so let me do a full screen here. So much to do. Paul, how's it going, Paul? First thing we got to do is Hey, I got to get this game, The Wheel of Funding, finished. I like that game. Oof. I love my wife, but it's time she goes back to the office.
That doesn't sound like you love her.
It sounds like I've had enough. It's been a long recovery. I don't know. She just chooses the wrong times to nag and to vacuum. Like, we're chasing the cat, and she comes down with laundry. Like, really? Paste. Okay, players list. You know what? I'll wait for the players list in case. Hey, El Nawe. Oops. El Nawe, is that just a nickname or is that actually your name? Just curious. Don't have to answer. You don't want to dox yourself. Okay, El Nawe wants an extra ball. Why not? Asking ye shall receive. Always the first person. How many did he ask for? You can only get 2 though. Can I have an extra ball? He just asked for 1. My name is Nawel. Can I say Nawel? Stands for Nahuel. Oh, wow. Nahu. No kidding. Nawel. Okay. Yeah, we live and learn, but I'll forget. An extra ball. He was so nice. He only asked for 1. I'm going to give him 2. We're going to call you L. L2 and L3. There you go. You got 2 extra balls.
You're so kind.
Yeah. Well, there's so many players. It's so hard to win now. I don't know what to do about that. That's why I like the way we do it with the finals. At least if you're in the game for the finals, you're only playing a few players. You know, you're not against the field of 100. Order filled. Okay, we took a partial on... oh, okay. We're short 4. We're not short 4. Angry Ace got disabled while I was gone. If I enable it, you will see we're long for it. Reverse the position. We should have been long from a long time ago. Holy shit. We should have been long from 29 to 25, 100 points ago. It is what it is. Today was one of those days. It's a good thing it's on the bot. I screwed up last night, but I traded, I think, 100% today. 100%. Serious. Not joking, not exaggerating. 100%. Not one human error. Meaning... I have to correct that. Of course, there was one human error. I forgot I was in a trade. What I mean is not one undisciplined trade. That's what I meant. Hello, Melody. Why not, Martin? Martin, I gave you the new version of the thing. It actually includes the emergency message. I'm curious what yours is. You get to see what mine is, although I updated it a little bit, but I got an emergency message now. I hope it's working for you guys. I never even asked. Martin 2. Save and start. Pro Styles, where are you from, Martin? Pro Styles, hello, Pro Styles. Order filled. We just went short. Do you like pina coladas? Taking walks in the rain. Didn't you say taking long walks on the beach?
I think that was No Skills.
I thought that was from the song there. Do you like pina colada? But no, it's getting caught in the rain. It's not long walks on the beach. I'm sticking with, how did you experience yeah. I'm sticking with, what am I sticking with?
No Skills commercials are in Spanish.
Counting Crows. Mr. John. What's his name? Mr. who?
John Wick.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones. I'm going to listen to that song later. I'm in a shitty mood, so I get to let it out. Whoever gives me the name of
Lewis, how's it going, my friend?
the singer in, I don't remember the name, but I'll see it. When I know it, when I see it, I'll know it. The singer of, call it out, Omnius, because I don't have your chat up. If you don't call it out and I see it on my stream first, then that person will get it. So be aware, you are real time. The singer of, this is for 5 extra balls because I feel like doing that. The Doors. Give me the name of the singer of The Doors. Riders on the storm. Dum, 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 dum. I was born. I don't know the words. I don't have anything yet. You, Omnius? Come on, man. If you want someone in your chat to get 5 extra balls, yeah. If you want someone in your chat.
I got some dead guy and Jim Morrison.
Jim Morrison. Who said Jim Morrison?
Actually, he said, I'm Orison. Jim Morrison. No skills?
No skills. No skills is the lucky winner.
And no skills was asking for extra balls, so we get it anyways.
TEA gets for Mountain Oysters, although we said we wouldn't do that anymore, but we will. No skills. I said 5, eh? K1, K2, K3, K4.
Lewis said some dead guy. I mean, technically he's right.
Save in. Lewis is always the last man standing. He's right there in the middle of the board.
Mm-hmm.
Lewis should be in the finals 5 times. Okay, you want to give away some balls, or we move on, or you're just going to post your list?
You want some extra ammo?
Mm.
Can you get extra ammo?
You choose. Go into the Discord. I'll wait. If you give me your list, that means you're not giving out extra balls. You got a question for some extra balls? Give one of those bands. Ask who's the singer for one of those bands, one of those obscure bands. Okay. What cookie is Omnius eating for 5 extra balls? Show the package really quick. Make it flash by the camera.
No,
Oreos.
describe it.
Huh?
Oreos.
Black on the outside and with white on the inside.
Oreos.
How do you know, Al? You saw?
No, I take a guess. Most common cookie, Oreos and Chips Ahoy.
No, he eats obscure things. He eats these white chocolate things.
Rainbow.
What are those things called? They're Twinkies. A Twinkie. A Twinkie. Yeah, Twinkie's chocolate on the outside and white on the inside.
Last time I had a Twinkie or something.
A chocolate Twinkie? Oreo. I don't know if it's Oreos.
Nawe and extra balls. He ever got extra
He's
balls?
gotten, he's loaded.
So Omni is something. Yeah,
Riders on the
Black
storm.
chocolate. I don't think anybody said it.
Ruth was I don't know what you're eating, so I can't say. I got Oreo in my
Oreos. Alex knew right away. I feel like it was just so obvious.
TEA said Oreos on my chat. Okay, there we go. TEA, we're gonna start the game. That was for 5. TEA already has one for Mountain Oyster, so T2, T3, T4, T5.
Everybody should have been yelling Oreos.
And T6, save and start. Okay, send me your list. We're good to go. Guys, don't be discouraged. You can still play the game because we gave AD 30 extra balls and he didn't win. That was sad. Was it 30 or 50?
No, 20.
Oh, holy, really? Only 20? I was going to think maybe it was 100. I'm going to quit with 146, 66, and one of my new accounts, and that's it. The others are going to close out at 0. I'm all green for the morning. I don't even think I took a fucking loser. No, I didn't. Let's go. Give me a list.
I'm looking for it. Look, I got to close out of 10 applications to get to this list.
I got to get out of here. Got to go find my
Your cat.
Twinkies. Stick around, Al. Don't run away. You're going to screw up my cameras anyways. You got nowhere to
Well,
go.
how long are you doing it? Yeah, I do. I go do cardio.
5 minutes.
Yeah, 5 minutes. I'm
okay.
here.
Because I got to remove the cameras. I got to switch. And, see
I'm
how
good.
long
I'm
it
good.
takes
I'm gonna
me?
stay
I'll be
here.
till-
I'm here for another 20 minutes.
I'll be here till 12:15. Riders on the
All right,
storm.
the list has been sent.
Doom, 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 doom.
No skills. I love those kind of cookies. What kind of cookies? Penis cookies? What?
There we go. Another timeout.
On H about to be taken? What does that mean?
Did Omnia say penis?
Doom, 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 doom. Riders on the storm. Control V. Did I get my list in? No, I
What
didn't.
kind of cookies he's talking about?
Perfect.
Maybe the white chocolate.
Control copy. Control V. Remove duplicates.
Mofo. No skills. Short
Save and
mofo.
start. Cancel all orders, positions, flatten everything.
Cancel all orders.
Cancel all orders. Now let me figure out what I need from OBS.
Send it to the moon. Let's go.
Always that. Hey, look how pretty that is. Perfect. Guys, this is a qualifier in case you don't know and you're new over here. That means if you win, you did not win the account. You just won the right to be into the finals on Friday and you will play for the account. We do it that way for so many reasons. One of the many reasons is that you get to play a game with, instead of with 80 or 90 or 100 players, you get to play a game for the account against, like, I don't know, depending on the week, 16 to 25 players. So a much smaller field. We also do that because we're a small channel and we don't really generate a lot of sales for the company, so they don't throw us buckets of accounts, unfortunately. They throw us the crumbs, the leftovers.
Well, that's kind of crummy.
That is crummy.
I mean, Apex has been the one taking care of us quite a bit.
Yep.
So, a little shout out to Apex for giving back to the community.
Yep. And by the way, guys, I'll bring up that message again. Apex has told us, if any of you have been affected by the situation on the weekend with the account closures from that other firm.
Alpha?
No, I don't want to say allegedly. Alpha allegedly. I can't confirm. That's what I've heard. But Apex
Allegedly.
has said, non-allegedly, confirmed Apex has said that they're willing to give you guys a free account. Just DM us in the Discord. We need your name and your email address. No, we're not hoarding those so that we can send you emails. I don't have an email list, and if I did start one, I will not have kept these. So send us your name, your email address, and at the end of the week, I'm going to send the list off to Apex. Let us know also what size account you want and whether you want trailing or end of day. This is for those of you who have been affected by the alpha situation, and be honest about it, because they might ask for a confirmation receipt or something. I don't know. Right now they haven't. They just said send us the list. They'll send me the codes and I'll send it to you. But, you know, it's not a free-for-all, so don't take advantage of it. Be honest. With that being said, let me share the screen. But that, again, is another thing that Apex is doing. They're giving us the codes. They're setting people up. They're doing a lot of things for some goodwill, which is kind of nice.
Well, a lot of things they certainly don't have to do. So.
Yeah, like I said,
That's
builds
nice.
goodwill.
Mm-hmm.
Builds goodwill. Goodwill is the good thing to build.
What I'm saying is I like it. I like to see them trying to
Oh, I was on mute. I was gonna say he said, "Don't call me honey. It's Haney. It's Haney."